Alright, so replacing an air handler with a heat pump in this very old house. And one thing I saw which was pretty cool, well, first off we got the new style boiler here, but before they had an air handler, they had these huge boxes. And I didn't know what it was, my boss told me, but inside of here is actually heat exchangers. So it would pull the air through it as the hot water went through there, and that's what actually gave them heat. So over here, what they did when they installed it originally for the new system, they just ran a box and tied it into those two, which run upstairs, and they put this over it. So if you open this up, you can see there's just, well, you can't see that well, but there's a heat exchanger up there, which is freaking crazy. I don't know how many times I hit my head on these boxes here. It freaking hurt. But yeah, huge heat exchangers. I think there's like 4. We got another one right here. You can see a lot of the pipes in this old house are just abandoned like this. I don't think any of these actually have water going through it, except for one. So there's ductwork there, which comes over here into this room, which goes to this guy, which that one still has water going through it. So this one's technically still being used. It probably doesn't give too much heat, but it gives some. But yeah, this house is crazy. Like all the old, you can see all the old pipes up there. That's all black iron, and that all has electrical running through it. Going through there, old boxes, a lot of water damage down here. But yeah, you can see it goes all the way over here. The 90s right there, and then comes into the master box there, and then all that stuff. So but yeah, the boxes, I thought those were really cool, and they all have these really cool, thick, very thick steel handles on them, like heavy duty stuff. But you can also tell when you walk through here, a lot of the piping is kind of hodgepodge, like that's just resting on that. Nothing's really secured. You can see where they adapted the packs. But like right there, like that's just like bent awkwardly between line sets. But this is definitely a really cool house, especially with those boxes on almost every single, yeah, you can see from there how big it is. It's basically the size of that boiler. Just massive heat exchangers in there. But yeah, they all have these really cool old valves. But you can see everything is like corroded and green. Very, very fun when you buy an old house. I mean, you can come in here, you can see it's all just good luck. But yeah, so I thought that was something interesting that I've never seen before. Those basically they're just oversized hydro coils, old school hydro coils. But it's pretty cool. But yeah, this, I can't even imagine what used to be here. I guess the big guy here now with a shitload of zones. So yeah, I wish I could have seen the old guy. But yeah, thought somebody, or thought you guys might think that was cool, those little heat exchangers there. So see you guys on the next one.